Hello children, here is your Raji ma'am, your teacher for handwriting. I hope you all are clear with the last session, so let us begin with our new topic. In this class, you will be turning the shortwave strokes into the letters I, S, R and T. Here's how you turn the shortwave stroke into the letter I. Simply make your shortwave stroke just as you have before and dot each spike and it turns them into multiple eyes. Here's how you make an individual eye. Make your shortwave stroke and stop halfway between the cloud line and the grass line and dot the top and do that again. Shortwave stroke, bring it down halfway up between the cloud line and the grass line and dot. Very good. We'll do one more time. Shortwave stroke and stop between the line, cloud line and the grass line and dot. Very good. Now I will turn the shortwave stroke into the letter S. So do your shortwave stroke as usual. Let me open it up and now bring it to touch the short wave, kind of the middle section of this wave, and then pull it up, back and repeat it again. Will do. This is how you make an individual S. Short wave stroke, open it up, touch the wave, give it a little stay and stop. Short wave stroke, open it up and touch the middle of the wave and give it a little tail and stop. Now we are going to turn the shortwave stroke into the letter R. So make your shortwave stroke just as usual. Stop at the top and make a little curve. Bring it down, back up to the cloud line and a little curve down, up to the cloud line, curve down, up to the cloud line, curve and down and stop. Here is how to make the individual R. So make your shortwave stroke, little curve, pull it down and stop about halfway between the cloud line and the grass line. So let's do that again. Here is the shortwave stroke, small curve, bring it down and stop. Shortwave stroke, small curve, bring it down and stop. Now we are going to be using the long wave stroke to make the letter T. Make your long wave stroke as usual. Just making sure to bring it up to the top skyline, bring it down to the bottom grass line and keep a nice curve in between the tall spikes. And now you are just going to cross the long spikes right on the cloud line, right in the middle, and you have connected T's. Connected T's. Now we are going to make the individual T. So make your long wave spike and just stop right in between the cloud line and the grass line and cross your T. So let's do that again. Long wave stroke and stop. Let's go cross. Now work out the worksheet and practice these letters until it flows nicely and becomes easy to write. So children, I hope you are clear with today's topic. Keep practicing. We'll see you on the next video. Till then, bye.